Experiencing no service on Total Wireless? This often means your phone can't connect to the Verizon network. First, let's check your SIM or eSIM. For physical SIM cards, ensure it's clean and properly inserted. If using eSIM introduced in 2023, verify it was downloaded correctly via the Total Wireless app. Next, APN settings are crucial for data connectivity. Total Wireless uses Internet as the standard APN. Incorrect settings here can block internet access and MMS. To fix, either reset your APN to default or manually enter the correct settings. APN, Internet, Proxy not set, Port not set. This solves about 70% of no service issues. If SIM, eSIM, and APN are correctly configured, examine your carrier settings. These control network preferences like roaming and band selection. Total Wireless operates on Verizon's LTE and 5G bands. Try updating your carrier settings through your phone's settings menu, whether Android or iOS. Also, ensure your Total Wireless app is up to date, version 5.2.1 or later. This includes automated APN and carrier settings push notifications as of September 2025. If problems persist, especially in rural areas, try enabling LTE-only mode to bypass weaker 5G signals. For persistent issues, contact Total Wireless support at 1-855-478-6789 or visit a store for SIM replacement. Remember, proactive troubleshooting and updated settings resolve most connectivity problems.